Imagine having the power to influence, persuade, and stay calm in any situation. Welcome to the world of hypnosis. Hypnosis is not just a stage trick, it's a powerful tool that can be used anytime, anywhere, to enhance your daily life. Whether you're at work, in a meeting, socializing, or studying, you can use hypnosis without anyone knowing. It's all about subtlety and skill. Influence and persuade others effortlessly. With hypnosis, you can guide conversations, foster trust, and achieve your goals seamlessly. Combat stress and anxiety with self-hypnosis. Use deep breathing and visualization techniques to stay calm and focused, no matter what life throws at you. Boost your productivity and concentration. Hypnosis helps you tap into your subconscious mind, enhancing your focus and efficiency. Improve your sleep quality. Hypnosis can help you relax and unwind, leading to deeper, more restful sleep. Unlock your full potential with hypnosis. Learn how to harness this incredible tool and transform your daily life. Discover the power of hypnosis today. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey towards a more empowered, influential, and stress-free life.
This is called hypnosis. This is